How to use Klarna. Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you on how to use Klarna. Klarna is a buy now pay later service that allows you to purchase items and pay for them in installments. This can be a great way to spread out the cost of a purchase, especially if you don't have the money to pay for it all upfront. First is you need to have an account to Klarna. You can log in or you can sign up. You'll need to create an account and provide some basic information such as your name, address, date of birth, and you also need to provide your social security number and credit card information. Once you've created an account, you can start by shopping and participating retailers. For in our case, since Klarna is not available to our country, I will not able to show you on how to create the account. But if you follow the instructions and the needed information, you can create an account. Klarna has two types, which is Klarna for shoppers and Klarna for business. Klarna for business is a suite of payment and marketing solutions that helps businesses of all sizes to grow their revenue. Klarna's payment solutions include pay later, financing, and pay now, which give customers the flexibility to pay for their purchases in a way that works for them. Klarna's marketing solutions help businesses reach new customers, increase conversion rates, and drive repeat purchases. On the other hand, for personal shoppers, Klarna is a payment app that allows shoppers to buy products from participating retailers and pay for them in installments. Usually, over a period of 4 to 6 weeks, Klarna also offers Pay Now option, which allows shoppers to pay for their purchase upfront. In the personal shopper, Klarna has offered different kind of products, and in here you can shop. For example, it's going to buy this Apple AirPods Max, and then just click this one. And here are the participating stores that you can buy. Then for example, you're going to buy this from StockX, and then just click that StockX, and then you will be proceeded to payment. And then after choosing a participating store, you can now view your cart, and then you will be go directly to your cart. You can now proceed to check out. In this case, you can change the city where you are in, for example, and then click begin checkout, or instead you can check out via PayPal, but we are focused on Klarna, so you can do that in here. Then you will be following some instructions, and then that's it. Overall, Klarna is a popular payment option for both businesses and personal shoppers. It offers a variety of benefits such as flexibility, convenience, and rewards. That's all. Using Klarna is a simple and convenient way to shop and pay for your purchases. If you're looking for a buy now, pay later service, I encourage you to check out Klarna. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thank you. I will see you next time.